Hey everyone! So today I thought I would do a plan with me. I am going to be setting up the first week of January in my yellow paper house. So this is what it looks like here. And I had ordered and had forgotten that I had ordered this kit from MyNewestAddiction for January. It is a monthly kit, but unfortunately, I already have my January set up. So I thought maybe I could use this on the first spread of 2019. So let's just see what our dates are going to look like, because I am really scatterbrained. Okay, so the 31st is going to be on Monday. So what I did was I took my X-Acto knife, because this right here is a little bit too wide to fit here. And I just cut this bottom portion with an X-Acto knife, and I did the same thing here. So I'm going to put the January here and the 2019 over here, and then just use these little white strips as washi strips, essentially. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I've also chosen a couple of washies to go with this kit. I thought that each of these, and these are from the brand new Simply Gilded box, I thought that these would go really beautifully with this gold foil, and I thought this polka dot one would be a fun pop of color. I may not use them all, but I just chose those just in case. So let's get started. Okay, so this is what we've got for the week. I could not find my white pen to go here, but I probably just will try to find that and fill that S in for Sunday. So this is basically what I've got for the week. So obviously that Tuesday will be New Year's Day. So I just tried to find different things that would work with this, and I think it goes quite well together. This washi is throwing me off a little bit, but I think that if I incorporated it in somewhere else, it might look a little bit more cohesive to me, but I don't mind it. So, yes, I hope y'all enjoyed this. If you liked this video, please give a thumbs up. If you want to see future videos, please hit subscribe. And I do intend on this year doing some more plan with me's and everything like that. For some reason, they still just make me nervous because it just takes me forever to do these kinds of things. So, yes. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye, everybody.